We are now in phase 3 of the Forward with Virginia plan to continue to recover and reopen after battling the coronavirus. It has been a long few months, but we've made a great deal of progress. What we've done has worked to contain the spread, and it's important to remain steadfast in our safety practices. This means we need to wear a mask or cloth face covering while in public and remain 6 feet apart. Wash your hands often, stay home if you are sick, and disinfect high-touch surfaces. Many people have asked if and when we should get a COVID test. If you're feeling sick or have been exposed to someone with COVID-19, the sooner you act, the better. Call your healthcare provider to determine if you need to be tested. You can also visit the Virginia Department of Health website for a list of places you can go to be tested and community testing events. I know a common worry is about the test itself and the testing sites. I agree. The test isn't comfortable, and it can be overwhelming to think about going to a test site. But if you think you have the coronavirus, you need to find out so you can be treated and help keep those you love safe.
Okay, we're going to call you tomorrow with your results. They usually call in the morning. They'll notify you if they're positive or negative.
Okay.
Make sure you have room on your voicemail just in case you miss the call so they can leave the results number.
Okay.
I'm just going to go in both nostrils, don't tense up, okay? I'm here really in collaboration with the Urban League of South Hampton Roads, who is making sure that testing gets to communities of color that don't have access to testing or maybe don't have a doctor that they can go to. And I'm really excited that the Urban League is taking a lead role in ensuring equity, health equity. The Health Equity Task Force, as part of the Virginia Unified Command, is partnering with organizations like the Urban League and Centera and Chesapeake Regional so that we can begin to take testing to communities like here in Newport News. We're really excited about the work that we're doing and making sure that we meet the needs of the community.
I'm the chairman of the board for the Urban League of Hampton Roads. And we are out here today in partnership with Centera to ensure that we're testing the underserved communities. We know that COVID-19, this pandemic, has disproportionately impacted the minority community, so our goal is to get these tests into these communities because they've been impacted not only from the pandemic, from a health perspective, but also from a financial perspective. And unfortunately, there's loss of jobs that has really hit this community extremely hard. So the goal is for us to get testing to them so that they can ensure that they have the equitable health that is necessary, health care that's necessary.
It's not going to bleed. Come on now.
All right, here's a tissue for you.
It's not going to bleed.
It's going to make your eyes water a little bit.
My only problem is I sneeze.
That's what the next thing. It might make you want to sneeze or cough. That's what the tissue's for. I'm going to have you tilt your head back for me. Close your eyes for me. And then here, it's just going to tickle a little bit for you. Go up this side. And we are all done. You did wonderful.
I'm going to do mine real quick.
Yes, ma'am.
So, no, that wasn't pleasant, but I'm taking control of my health and making sure I don't have the coronavirus. Another way I'm taking action is by wearing a mask. These aren't the most comfortable things, especially as we deal with the summer heat, but they can help slow the spread of the coronavirus. I talked to a few people about why they wear masks. Everyone's response had the same theme: to keep people safe.
Good, I'm Mayor Price. I want you to also be able to have some masks, okay? Won't shake your hand there, because
That's what's up.
The importance of wearing a mask is to protect yourself as well as the others around you, including, for example, like myself, I'm an essential worker, and I find it very necessary to take this pandemic very seriously, and also to protect my nephews that live with me, as well as like my older parents as well.
I feel like it's important to wear a mask because to show respect for others and to keep others safe, and for your health and for your loved ones at home, and to stop the spread of the virus.
I know it's hot, but it's better to be protected than being at risk.
So please, wear a mask. It's up to each of us to help stop the spread. We all want life to get back to normal. but we have to make sure we move forward safely. An important part of staying healthy is remaining informed. Visit the Virginia Department of Health website for safety tips. They also have a list of frequently asked questions and a checklist that will help you evaluate your symptoms to see if you could or should be tested. For information about the city's response to the coronavirus, visit nnva.gov. We are in this together, so remain patient and kind with one another. We'll get through this difficult time and emerge stronger and more informed about our health. Take care of yourselves, look out for one another, and stay safe.